myofascial release is the quadriceps, so the muscles on the front of our legs. So they run from the top of our hips down to our kneecaps, and we can basically work that whole area all the way down. So we have Charity on her stomach, and we have a foam roller right underneath her quads. So she's just going to be rolling up and down, and if she finds a tender spot, holding for about 7 to 10 seconds, and then moving on from there. Same thing with the other foam rolling exercises. Our quads do wrap around our leg. So by twisting our hips, legs, thighs, pointing our toes a different direction, we can start isolating different portions of the muscle group. And spend about 2 minutes foam rolling or so. If you need a little bit more pressure, you can cross one ankle over the other. And if you tilt your hips just a little bit, you can add some more pressure on that same side that you're trying to get more pressure on. So that is foam rolling the quads.